Trip.com review. Watch before using. Trip.com is a travel booking platform offering flights, hotels, car rentals, and even train tickets, primarily catering to travelers looking for competitive prices and a seamless booking experience. Designed for budget-conscious and frequent travelers, it provides access to deals worldwide, including exclusive discounts for members. The app and website have a user-friendly interface, making it easy to search, compare, and book within minutes. One of its biggest strengths is the vast inventory, especially for hotels in Asia, where it often offers better rates than competitors. It also includes loyalty rewards, such as Trip Coins, which can be redeemed for discounts on future bookings. A standout feature is the price freeze option, allowing you to lock in flight prices for a small fee before finalizing your purchase. This is useful when waiting for travel confirmations or comparing deals. The cancellation and refund policies vary based on the airline or hotel, but Trip.com usually provides clear terms before booking. However, customer service can be inconsistent, with mixed reviews on response times and dispute resolution. If everything goes smoothly, it's an excellent platform, but handling issues may require persistence. For flights, the platform aggregates options from multiple airlines and agencies, sometimes offering fares unavailable elsewhere. However, always double-check baggage policies and ticket restrictions, as some deals may exclude checked luggage or have stricter refund terms. Trip.com also provides visa services and travel insurance, which can be convenient for international travelers. The mobile app is well optimized, featuring real-time updates on flight statuses, itinerary management, and customer support integration. Users can also access exclusive app-only discounts, making it worth downloading. The VIP program offers additional benefits like early check-in and discounts on select properties, appealing to frequent travelers. While the platform is highly competitive in pricing, especially for Asian destinations, some users have reported issues with last-minute cancellations from hotel partners or incorrect pricing due to inventory updates. To avoid problems, always confirm your booking directly with the hotel or airline. Final verdict. Trip.com is a solid choice for travel bookings, especially for Asia-focused trips, thanks to its low prices, wide selection, and useful features like price freeze. However, be prepared for potential customer service challenges and always review cancellation policies before booking. If you're looking for competitive rates and don't mind occasional hiccups, it's a great tool for travel planning.